Dr. William E. Glenn Jr. dedicated a lifetime of research to the fields of high-resolution imaging technology, electronic and optical physics, and electrical engineering. He was awarded more than 135 U.S. patents and published more than 105 technical articles. He holds an honored position among 50 prolific, commercially viable U.S. inventors whose number of patents are exceeded only by those issued to Thomas Edison.
It's hard to say how much was in nature and how much was nurture. His dad was a college professor, and they spent holidays and summers on the family farm in Georgia. So growing up on a farm, I think he learned to be self-sufficient, and besides, it was the Depression, and also his dad had polio as a boy, so he had difficulty walking. And so Bill would try and find different labor-saving devices for his dad. But he was just interested. He was just inventive as a boy, and he had experiments going on in his room all the time. He was very soft-spoken and gentle, but when it came to his work, he was tenacious. He was a hard worker, and he was a real problem solver. He never got upset or frustrated by a problem. He loved them. You know, this was right up his alley.
He was not only my boss, he was a mentor and a friend, and so I even the projects I'm working on now, I wish he was here. I could ask him questions because you know, he was way ahead of everybody.
Dr. Glenn's legacy continues at FAU and beyond. One of his inventions could change the future of healthcare. The Norway-based company iLife is working to turn one of his patents into a portable, wireless, and pocket-sized ultrasound machine that could be used in doctors' offices around the globe.
Through FAU and several partners, we were able to pick the best patents applicable to iLife from Dr. Glenn. In particular, there's one patent that we are able to use in our development to make iLife happen. We will strive to improve healthcare in the best spirit of Dr. Glenn.
If I had a chance to sit with Dr. Glenn, I would ask him how he did what he did. How did he come up with one creative solution after another after another? Most people may have a good idea once in a while. He seemed to have good ideas constantly. And anybody that could do that could be a great teacher for the rest of us. So I'd like to keep his story alive at FAU and really celebrate him and his career as a role model for all the rest of us.